Welcome dear students and friends to this channel. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is hashing, and exclusively this lecture I will discuss hashing and types of hash functions. And in previous lecture I discussed some miscellaneous programming concepts. So those who want to learn the same, so they can refer my previous video. And this particular topic, that is hashing and its types of hash function, and next lecture to that hashing is collision resolution technique. So this is the last last topic of what data structures, and remaining part whatever left out, so that I will cover. Most of the part I have already covered, but in case any topic is left out, then that will be covered in what algorithm part. Okay, so design and analysis of algorithm. So stay tuned. Now we are starting, so let's start hashing and types of hash functions. So first of all, what is hashing? So hashing is basically a searching technique. Okay, so it is a searching technique, and there are a lot many applications of hashing. Like for example, in cryptography also we use what, some sort of hash functions है ना, hashing, and some password management है ना, and some file and what its paths aggregation, and a lot many. In data structures also we include what, file and its path, associated path means searching, indexing, all these things are there. Okay, so ultimately to reduce the searching time, the concept of hashing is used. Okay, so this is the ultimate technique by which the searching time of what, of any key or of any record, so that will be reduced. So that is the beauty of hashing. So let's start. So hashing is what? Hashing is, first of all, it is one of the searching technique, as I mentioned already. And next is, the goal of hashing is order of one searching time. So the ultimate goal of hashing is just constant searching time, means immediately you will return the what, key. Okay, whatever the key is searching, immediately you will return the same. So that is the beauty of this. Now, direct address table. So observe very carefully. So this is a direct address table, and we also called it as what, hash table. Observe very carefully, from now onwards. Hash table, and I am assuming the size of this table is what, 10. So 10 means from 0 to 9. Okay, and these are our keys. These are our keys. तो डायरेक्ट एड्रेस टेबल में क्या होगा कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 1 है, तो 1 कहाँ मैप हो जाएगा, 1 इंडेक्स पे. सो दैट इज द इंडेक्सेस है ना, 0 1 2 3 4 अप टू 9. सो 0 to 9 ओवरऑल 10. एंड व्हाट अबाउट 5? सो 5 इज डायरेक्टली है ना मैप्ड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन. सो दिस इज 5, एंड 3 इज here only, like this, and 7 is this, and after that 9 is at 9th index. So means this is direct mapping. There is no algorithmic manipulation, or we are not using any sort of function for translating key to its equivalent slot in the hash table. Okay, मीन्स हम कुछ भी यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली जो की वैल्यू है उसको एज इट इज उसके अप्रोप्रिएट इंडेक्स पे हम पुट कर रहे हैं सिंपली. ओके, तो यहाँ कुछ ड्रॉबैक है. ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली व्हाट इज द ड्रॉबैक, आई विल एक्सप्लेन, डोंट वरी. So in direct address table key is the address without any algorithmic manipulation. Okay, so key is directly the address without any algorithmic manipulation on any function. We are not using any function. Even though number of keys are very less, but one of the key may contain 64 bits. So then hash table size should be 2 raised to the power 64. I will explain this point. The range of key determines size of the direct address table. Okay, so the table size, टेबल का जो साइज होगा वो कहां से हम डिटरमाइन कर पाएंगे कि कीज की रेंज क्या है. फॉर एग्जांपल की में अगर कोई भी एक की अगर हमें लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल 1 लाख अगर कोई की एलिमेंट है, तो टेबल का साइज फिर बाय डिफॉल्ट क्या हो जाएगा, 1 लाख तक जाएगा. ओके, सो मींस की जो मैक्सिमम साइज है दैट विल डिटरमाइन व्हाट, डायरेक्ट एड्रेस टेबल साइज. ओके, and direct address table is not possible in all practical situations. Why it is not possible? Observe carefully. Say for example, few keys are there. Observe very carefully. So there are some keys. Okay, and this is our what, 1 2 3 4 up to 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So means की जो मैक्सिमम साइज है दैट विल डिटरमाइन व्हाट, डायरेक्ट एड्रेस टेबल साइज. ओके, and this is our what, hash function or direct address table. This is our hash table. So this is our direct address table. Also it is called as what? Hash table. Observe very carefully, है ना? So there are few entries like this. Okay, like this there are few entries. Okay, now observe very carefully. So let us assume some keys. For example, like so there are some values also like 0, you know. First of all, assume some keys. For example, 1, 3, 9,999 and 5 and 50, like this. So there are 5 keys. Okay, and so these are the indexes like 0, 1 and 2, 3. So this is 4 and this is what? 5. So it is 4 and 5, and somewhere let us assume it is 50. Okay, and at last it is what? 9999 and 9. ओके, तो इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? देखिए, अगर आप केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, सो कीज जो है वो सारी वैल्यूज लेस हैं एक्सेप्ट दिस वैल्यू. सो दिस वैल्यू इज वेरी ह्यूज. So this value is very huge. This key is much larger as compared to others, as compared to other keys, as compared to other keys. तो इसके कारण क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? That's why maximum size of table is what? That's why maximum size of table is what? 99,999. So that's why. So this will map to this particular location, and 5 will map to this 5, and this 3 goes to 3 index only, and this 50 goes to 50 index, and this 1 move to here. So this is the drawback. So that's why this means direct address table is not used in practical situations, because अगर हमारे पास कई सारी कीज हैं तो उनमें से अगर मतलब बहुत मैक्सिमम कीज जो है लेस नंबर ऑफ कीज हैं या लेस वैल्यू वाली कीज हैं, बट एनी वन और एनी टू वैल्यू इज हैविंग मच लार्जर है ना वैल्यू. सो देन व्हाट विल हैपन कि हमें उतने साइज की एड्रेस टेबल, डायरेक्ट एड्रेस टेबल व्हाट हमें ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगी. दैट्स व्हाई दिस टेक्निक इज नॉट एफिशिएंट, not efficient. So I think you are observing this. So that's why this technique is not efficient. So that is written over there, that in direct address table key is the address without any algorithmic manipulation, and even though number of keys are very less, for example number of keys are very less, but one of the key may contain 64 bit, as in our example one of the key is what? 99,990. Then hash table size should be like maximum of that, है ना. सो द रेंज इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द रेंज. किससे डिटरमाइन हो रही है? ये हैश टेबल का रेंज कितना होगा तो उसकी कीज की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू से डिटरमाइन. सो दैट इज द व्हाट? डायरेक्ट एड्रेस टेबल. But it is not efficient and not used in practical situations because it is space what? Inefficient. It is not space efficient. So now there is a need of what? Hash function. Okay, which will map the keys, which will map your keys what? So this is your hash table, this is your hash table. So already written I think, below. And size of this hash table we are assuming what? 10. So 10 is from 0 to 9. So this is the size, and there is some hash function which will do some algorithmic manipulation and which will map. So this key will pass to hash function and hash function will allot it somewhere. Okay, so like this it is passing to hash function and this is allotted somewhere. Okay, like this. So this is again passed to this and this is mapping somewhere. Okay, है ना. And let us suppose as an example, assume that the hash function, this hash function, we are assuming that h of key is what we are assuming, key mod m. m is size of the maximum. तो अगर हम इसके अकॉर्डिंग इसको सॉल्व करें, so then what will happen in that case, कि अगर इसके अकॉर्डिंग करें तो की मॉड m, तो फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट की लेते हैं हम 15, तो 15 कहाँ मैप होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस हैश फंक्शन, 15 मैप होगा 15 मॉड 10, सो दिस विल गिव यू 5. तो 15 कहाँ मैप होगा, 15 ये इस हैश फंक्शन में आया, ओके, एंड ये मैप हुआ कहाँ, 5 पे मैप हुआ. ऑब्जर्व वेरी केयरफुली. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन, 7 आएगा, 7 मॉड 10 विल गिव यू 7, तो 7 आया इस हैश फंक्शन में, एंड 7 कहाँ मैप होगा, 7 विल मैप टू what 7th लोकेशन, दिस 7 mod 10 will give you, mod means remainder, 7 में 10 का डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर तो 7 होंगे. ओके, सो आई थिंक लेट मी ड्रॉ इट क्लियरली, देन इट इज क्लियर टू यू. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, so this is the hash function. So according to this hash function, this 15, so this 15 will pass to this hash function and it is mapped to where, 5th location, and this 7 is passed here, so this particular will map to what, 7th location, because 7 mod 10 is 7. 31, so if you pass 31, so 31 will map to what, 1, because 31 में 10 का divide करेंगे तो what will be the remainder, 1. And in case of what, 99, so in case of 99, so 99 will map to this particular location, 99. And what about this 43, so you are supposed to pass 43 to this function and this will go to there. So this is what, this is 31, and this 3 is what, this is 43, and this 5 is what, it is 15. okay, और 7 पे कौन मैप हुआ है, सो 7 है ना, इट इज 7th की, एंड लाइक दिस, सो आई थिंक इट इज ओवर, है ना, 5. नाउ देयर आर सम problem with this, है ना. So this is what, this is the hash function, we are using this hash function as what, directly mod function, है ना, mod function we are using. So modulo division by its size of the table. Okay, so key mod m, so this function we are assuming here. Okay, now there is some collision. So what is collision, so collision is producing the same hash address which is already produced is called what, collision. means अगर हम किसी की को हमने मैप किया है किसी पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे, किसी पर्टिकुलर स्लॉट पे, और कोई दूसरी की है वो भी उसी स्लॉट पे अगर मैप होगी, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, collision. So for example, so in the previous problem what will happen, 99 and 39 will go to the same slot. So for example, assume this, that here let us suppose 199 and already there 39 is also there, so 39 again, so 39 will go to this particular place. So here what, here 39 also, so this is what, this situation is known as, this situation is known as was collision, because ऑलरेडी क्या था, 99 वहां मैप था और 39 भी वही मैप हो रहा है. सो दिस सिचुएशन इज नोन एज व्हाट, collision. दैट इज रिटन दैट producing the same hash address which is already produced is called collision. So in this problem, if you observe carefully, so h of what, 99, so this will give you 99 mod what, 10, so 9, so this is same. And from this side also, if you calculate address, hash table address of key 39, so this is nothing but 39 mod of 10, so this will again give you 9. So you are getting mod means हम 39 को 10 से divide करेंगे, whatever the remainder, so the remainder will be answer, remainder is 9, so then that collision, है ना. So this is known as what, collision. So this situation is known as, here what is happening, this situation is known as collision. This situation, this 9 and this 9, so here it is what, collision, means 9th address पे map हो रहे हैं. So this is known as collision. Okay, So we will see, don't worry, these techniques in detail. So means collision resolution technique. If collision is there, then how to resolve that collision. So this part will be covered in next lecture. Okay. Now there are certain types of hash functions. So what are those types? First type is division modulo method. जैसे हमने अभी देखा कि mod 10 कर रहे थे ना, या mod m, तो वो division modulo method होता है. Next is digit extraction method. So don't worry, I will explain in this lecture only. Third is folding method. So there are two methods, fold boundary method and fold shifting method. And last one is what? Mid square method. Okay, so we will see, and we are going to see this one by one. So let's see. So first is division modulo method. So what is division modulo method? So it says that, for example, this table size is what? Table size is 10. So in case of 10, what will happen? That this is the table. This is the table. So let us assume this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So these are the indexes. This is 5, 6, then 7, then it is 8, and then it is 9. Okay, and key is, we are assuming what? 25. तो 25 की हैश फंक्शन में क्या assume किया है कि h of key equals to key mod m. तो अगर आप 25 को यहाँ कैलकुलेट करेंगे 25 के लिए, so what will come? h of 25 equals to what? 25 mod of what? m. m is what? 10. Size is 10. So this will give you 5 as the answer. Means 25 कहाँ आएगा? 25 will map to 5th in this particular location. 25. Okay. So take some other value also. For example, h of 39, any value. So it is 39 mod what? 10. So यहाँ क्या आएगा? 39 mod 10 से 9 आएगा. So 39 will mapped to 9th. So this is the case, है ना. For example, h of 47. So this will return you 47 of mod 10. So this will give you what? 7. So 47 कहाँ आएगा? 7 पे आएगा. So this is what division modulo method means. We are dividing the key with what? Size of the table m. So that's why key mod m. So this is the hash function. Now there is one problem in that. There is collision, है ना. अभी हमने देखा just previous to that slide that 39 और 99 same पे map होंगे. So that is also a collision. But there is one major problem in this. So what is that major problem? Say for example, m equals to what? 2 raised to the power 3. मतलब हमने अगर assume किया है कि size कितना है? 2 की power 3 means 8 size का आएगा. ठीक है. तो उस केस में प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे मैंने लिया 110, ये बाइनरी नंबर ले रहा हूं मैं, तो 110 मॉड करेंगे हम किससे? लेट अस सपोज 110 से कर 110. तो 110 का मॉड 110 से किया हमने. तो यहाँ ऑब्जर्व करें अगर केयरफुली, तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? ये मॉड मीन्स 2 raised to the power 3. तो 110 किसका बाइनरी है? सो इट इज 4 and 2 6, और 8 6 में 8 का डिवाइड करेंगे, सो दिस विल रिटर्न 6 ओनली. सो दिस विल रिटर्न 6 मींस 110. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल टेक 1110 एंड मॉड 2 raised to the power 3. सो ये किसका बाइनरी है? दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज 6. और ये किसका बाइनरी है? दिस इज व्हाट? 8 4 and 2, 8 4 12 and 2 14. सो दिस इज 14. तो 14 में अगर 8 का मॉड करेंगे, दिस विल अगेन रिटर्न 6. सो इट इज 110. ओके, let us take one more example. For example, 10110. Okay, and mod of 2 raised to the power 3. So what is 10110? This is what? 2 4 8 and 16. So 16 4 and 2 22. So this is 22. So if you divide 22 by 8, so what? 8 to just 16, remaining is 6. So 6 means 110. So if you are observing carefully, then what is going on in this? कि लास्ट जो यहाँ 2 raised to the power 3 था, 2 raised to the power 3, तो लास्ट की जो 3 बिट्स हैं वही एज इट इज मुझे आंसर में मिल रही है है ना। लास्ट की 3 बिट्स देखिए ये कॉमन है, यहाँ भी यही आंसर में मिल रहा है, ठीक है। तो ये 110 ये कॉमन है यहाँ पे, ये भी यही आंसर मिल रहा है। तो यहाँ प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रहा है कि प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर यहाँ एग्जैक्ट 2 की पावर्स में होता है कुछ, है ना, एग्जैक्ट 2 की पावर्स में होता है, जैसे एज एन एग्जांपल टेक वन मोर देन इट इज क्लियर। फॉर एग्जांपल जस्ट टेक वन मोर दैट टेक 1111, है ना, and 10. So and mod we are doing mod 2 raised to the power 3. So what is this value? This value is what? 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 32 and 16, 48. 48 and 8 is 56. 56 and 6 is what? 62. So 62. 62 में 8 का mod करेंगे. So 8 7 या 56. So remaining is what? 6. So 6 means 110. So now observe in this also. So this also following the same pattern. What is the pattern? So pattern means last 3 bits is as it is coming as output. Why? Because it is 2 raised to the power 3. So in general we can say if m equals to 2 raised to the power k, okay, means m equals to 2 raised to the power k. So what will happen in this case? That let us suppose here some value 110110011, है ना, 1101101 and some mod 2 raised to the power k. Okay, and suppose these are the k bits, these are the k bits, एंडिंग बिट्स के। तो हमारा रिजल्ट इसमें क्या आएगा? रिजल्ट विल द सेम ओनली 1101101. सो रिजल्ट विल बी द ओनली द के बिट्स। ओके, तो व्हाई इट इज गोइंग ऑन, क्यों हो रहा है ये? क्योंकि 2 रेज टू द पावर के है, तो के बिट्स जो है वो, सो दैट इज द मेजर प्रॉब्लम कि ये सारी कीज यहाँ कुछ भी बना रहे, कोई भी बड़ा सा नंबर बना रहे, ये सारी की सारी कीज कहाँ मैप होंगी? सेम लास्ट के बिट्स पे। तो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम इन दैट कि m शुड नॉट बी पावर ऑफ 2. Observe very carefully. M means size of the table. Okay, size of the table should not be power of 2 because division modulo method will always produces last k bits as output if m equal to 2 raised to the power k. अगर m की वैल्यू 2 की पावर k है तो division modulo method always will return what? Last k bits as output. Okay, so I hope this point is clear to you. Now next is, so this, so what is the solution of this problem? कि a prime number not too close. So these are what? These are all the conditions of what? Collision. These are what? Returning the same. Means returning means giving the same value. Giving the same value means what? Collision. Means what? Collision. Okay, so this is also a major cause of collision. है ना, and modulo division method. So a prime number not too close to an exact power of 2 or 10 is a good, is है ना, not too close to is a good choice. Means prime number जो कि 2 की पावर और 10 की पावर्स के क्लोज में ना हो, मीन्स 2 की पावर्स में ना हो, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल 2 की पावर 6 64 या कुछ इस तरीके के नियर बाय ना हो, या 10 की पावर्स में ना हो, है ना। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज नॉट अ गुड चॉइस. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज close to 2 raised to the power 10, है ना, but it is a good choice. It is a good choice. It is not close to, है ना, not close to power of 2 and 10, not close to, not close to power of 2 or 10. So that's why this is a good choice. So है ना, तो जो टेबल का साइज है that must be a prime number which is not close to power of 2 and what 10. Okay, in case of modulo division method. So this is what modulo division method has function. This is the first type of has function. So now next one is digit extraction method. So observe very carefully. This is also interesting. Digit extraction method. तो इसमें क्या होगा? जैसे m का साइज, आपका टेबल का साइज है 1000. So 1000 मीन्स कहाँ से जाएगा? Like this 0 1 2 से लेकर, for example last one is what 999, like this. So 0 to 999 overall what 1000. Now digit extraction method says that fix certain digits, है ना, according to this method what? Fix certain digits, okay, to calculate what? Hash address corresponding to a key, So let us suppose, for example, in this case we are assuming that 7, 5 and 4. So what we are taking? First, third and fourth digit, है ना? First, third and fourth digit. So in this case we are taking what? First, third and fourth digit. So first, third and fourth digit, तो की क्या है हमारा? 7, 8, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. तो ये क्या रिटर्न करेगा? 754 रिटर्न करेगा, है ना? सिमिलरली फर्स्ट, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ लिया है, तो फर्स्ट है, थर्ड है और फोर्थ है, तो इसमें क्या होगा? 589. सो दिस विल रिटर्न व्हाट? 589 इज आउट. ठीक है, मींस ये पर्टिकुलर हैश एड्रेस आ गया, यहाँ मैप होगा. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं इसको आपको शो करूं यहाँ पे, तो 754 सम लोकेशन इज देयर, मे बी इट इज 754. तो 754 पे क्या होगा हमारा? 7854123, 7854123. Okay, 589 maybe somewhere, let us suppose it is 589. So 589 पे क्या होगा? 5489. So it is 5489 and 246. Okay, and similarly first, third and fourth. So first, third and fourth. So it is 954 and 954. So it may be somewhere 954. और 954 पे क्या होगा? 9154216. Okay, so this is the case. तो यहाँ हमने क्या किया, अगर आप केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ हमने जो इन आंसर्स के लिए फिक्स किया है, दैट फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ डिजिट. So you can choose any digit, है ना? So it's up to you, but whatever you are choosing, so that will be fixed, okay, for the overall calculation. So that's why. But what is the problem in this? Problem in this कि अगर फर्स्ट है ना, ये आपका देखिए फर्स्ट और थर्ड और आपका फोर्थ, अगर फर्स्ट, थर्ड और फोर्थ आपका सेम डिजिट होगा, ठीक है, फर्स्ट, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ इज सेम डिजिट, तो उस केस में हमेशा आउटपुट क्या निकलेगा? लाइक 527, 527, 527. तो ये सारी की सारी कीज कहाँ? वहीं मैप होंगी. तो इस केस में क्या होगा? इस केस में होगा कोलिजन. तो ये जो यहाँ जो होगा, दैट कंडीशन इज व्हाट? दैट इज कोलिजन. सो इन दिस केस कोलिजन, ओके, हैपन. सो इन दिस केस कोलिजन्स. सो जब कोलिजन्स होंगे तो मींस ये एक केस है जहां मोर नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन्स होंगे. सो इट इज मोर नंबर ऑफ collisions. Okay, so this is not the good choice, digit extraction method, but anyhow the method is available. That's what digit extraction method means. You can choose the digit according to your convenience, whether it is 2 digit, 3 digit, whatever, है ना, and map over there. But problem is that, तो उस अगर पर्टिकुलर प्लेस की डिजिट्स अगर कोई कीज इस फैशन में आ रही है कि वो फिक्स है, तो इसमें मोर नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन्स, है ना, होंगे. बिकॉज आपके जो सीरीज है, अगर आपके नंबर्स की बात करें, तो नंबर्स कंटिन्यू होते हैं, जैसे 512786 होगा, फिर 512786 तो उस केस में क्या होगा? सारे के सारे नंबर 5 to 7 पर ही मैप होंगे, तो बहुत ही कोलिजन्स होंगे. नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन्स आर, है ना, एट एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट. So this is the drawback, digit extraction method, but ultimately the method is available, that's why. Okay, now next is folding method. So there are two folding methods. So first folding method is known as what? Fold boundary method. So observe very carefully. So what is fold boundary method? So first of all, table is what? Table sizes. So your table size is 1000. So 1000 means from 0, 1, 2 to up till where you go. So it is 9, 9 and 9. So this is the hash table. So this is what, this is the hash table. Okay, now let us suppose this is the key. This is the key given. So what we are supposed to do, we are folding this. So what is folding? This is 1 2 3. Folding means first 3 bits or first 3 digits and last 3 digits. So क्या करना है हमको, 1 2 3 और 7 8 and 9, तो इनको ऐड ऑन करना है, ठीक है. इफ यू ऐड these two, so what will you get? 9 and 3 12 is 2 and it is 1. So 8 2 10 and 1 11, it is 1. Okay, and मीन्स बाउंड्रीज को फोल्ड कर रहे हैं ना. बाउंड्री, फोल्ड बाउंड्री मेथड मीन्स वी आर फोल्डिंग द बाउंड्री. सो व्हाट इज बाउंड्री? 1 2 3 3 digits starting boundary and last 3 digits boundary and adding this. So it is 1 and 7 1 8 and 1 9. So 9 1 2. So what will happen in that case कि यहाँ कहीं 9 1 2 होगा. So 9 1 2 पे क्या मैप हो जाएगा? This particular key will go there. So what is this key? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So this is the case. Okay, so this is what, this is a fold boundary method है ना. But what will happen है ना in this case, collisions किस तरीके से होंगे इसमें, अगर हम ऑब्जर्व करें केयरफुली. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कीज हमारी कुछ इस फैशन में दी हुई है. फॉर एग्जांपल कीज आर गिवन like 1 2 3 and some 8 9 8 and here 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 and some 0 2 4 and again 7 8 9. So some 1 2 3 and it is 9 2 7 and some 7 8 9. तो इन केसेस में क्या होगा कि इसमें फोल्ड बाउंड्री मेथड इज नॉट सुइटेबल. व्हाई? बिकॉज इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस केयरफुली, दिस and last boundary, so है ना, starting boundary and last boundary. So in this case what will happen? In this case collisions will happen. So in this case collisions. Okay, so in this case collisions will happen. Okay, so there are collisions in this case also. Fold boundary method. Now next is fold shifting method. So what is fold shifting method? Ki, as an example, take this. Size of the table is given 1000. So if you observe carefully, so it is 1000. So this is the hash table and starting from 0 and 1 and likewise what till 999, and say for example few more in between values are there. Okay, now key is given like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. So fold shifting means these three and these three. So you are supposed to add. So what? 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. तो अगर हम इसको ऐड करेंगे, so what will happen? 9 6 15 and 3 18 and 8 5 13 2 14 13 2 15 1 16 6 carry 1. So it is 7 4 11 11 and 2 13. So like this. So in this case what will happen कि यहाँ पे हमें इसको और इसको फिर फर्दर ऐड करना पड़ेगा. तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर कि 1 3 6 में 8 फर्दर ऐड करेंगे. 1 3 6 में 8 फर्दर ऐड करेंगे. सो दिस विल गिव यू 4 and 8 6 14 4 and it is 1. So 144 means you go to 144 location. So maybe it is 144. So go to 144 and store this. So here we are calculating 144 and storing this. So it is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 and 9, like this. Okay, so this is the method. So here if you are observing carefully, then this method will produce what? Just take as one more example, then I will explain what I am saying. So for example, key is given like 5 6 7 0 1 2 8 7. Okay, so in this case अगर pairing करें, so these three and these three, and here what we will add extra because 3 digits are not there, so add 0. So these three. So finally 0, 5, 6, 701 and 287. So it is 287. So add these all values. So it is 617 and 7 14 4 carry 1 and 8 5 13 and 1 14 4 and carry 1 7 2 9 1 10. So now again what will happen? This 104 will be added to 4. So further 104 and 4. So this will give you 108. So means go to 108 position. So somewhere maybe 108. 108 position and store this particular key. So if you store this key, so it is 56701 287. 56701 287. So if you are observing that collisions होने के chances कम है. Okay, so this is a best method and a best method because why? Because very less collisions है ना, because very less collisions are there. Okay, this is the best method because very less collision. So fold shifting method is quite useful for designing a hash function, for using it as an hash function. Okay, so this is the fold shifting method. So these are the folding method. Now next one is mid square method. Okay, observe carefully. So mid square method. So what is mid square method? So table is given like it is again the same. So this is the hash table. So hash table is what? Hash table is from 0, 1 and like this similar fashion up to what? 999. So size is what? 1000. So it is 999. Okay, and this is what? This is our hash table. Now what we are supposed to calculate? Hash address for the key 9421. So mid square, as the name suggests, that firstly square, then find out mid of that. So 9452 का square करेंगे, so this will be the square. Okay, and what will be the middle portion in that? So middle portion is like this, key 403, something like this, 403. Okay, so middle portion will give you 403, this 403. So what will happen in this case? Go to 403 position, 403 position, and after reaching there, store this value. After reaching there, store this value. So store this value means 9452. 9452. It's 9452. Okay. So I think you are getting this, and I hope you are getting this. So this is the simple mid square method. Firstly, square the key and find out the middle of that element and just go there. Okay, so if you are observing this particular concept, so let us take one more example. For example, key is given as what? For example, 25. Okay, so key is 25. So firstly square. So what will be the square? Square of 25 is going to be 625. Okay, 625. And if you just calculate the middle part of that, so what is middle? Middle is 2. So mid is what? Mid of square is what? 2. So just go to second place. Go to second place and store what? 25. So store 25 over there. So this is suppose second place and store 25 over there. So like this, है ना? So if you are carefully observing this, then there is also, this is also a best method, है ना? So it is also best method. Okay, it is also better method. Better method. Because why so? Because less number of collisions are there. Less number of collisions are there. Okay, so this is about the mid square method. Now we are at the end of this lecture, and in this particular lecture we covered the hashing. So what is meaning of hashing, and how it is applicable in different domains or different fields. So that we discussed, and direct address table we discussed, and what is the drawback of direct address table, why we will not use, why we generally don't use that particular direct address table in practical situations. So that we discussed. And after that there is a concept of collision when two or more keys, when more than one keys are mapped to the same hash address, or hash location, then there is a chances of collision. Okay, so that we covered. And finally we saw what types of hash functions. So there are basically four types of hash functions. So first type of hash function is what? Modulo division method. So we saw modulo division method and also saw where it fails, or what are the drawbacks. Okay, so that k bits concept we already covered. Second is what? Digit extraction method. So digit extraction method we saw. So choose any of the digits and map to the key that particular digits, that particular location, whatever the digit extracted. And next method is folding method. So folding method, in folding method we saw two sub methods are there. So fold boundary method and fold shifting method. So fold boundary method mein starting ending boundary just add it, and whatever the result is, so just put over there the key value. And then fold shifting method. So fold shifting method is what? Where all there is a bunch of folding, means 3 3 or 2 2, and just add it, and whatever you will get the value, then store over there. So fold shifting method is quite useful, and it is having less number of collisions. And finally we saw mid square method. So whatever the key is given, just square it, find out the middle element, and store the key over there. Okay, and it is also better method because less number of collisions. So finally we are closing this session, and hope that you are getting. And in next lecture, so I will cover that collision resolution technique, means how to resolve the collision, because we know collision is there always, because two elements are mapped to a same location or more than two elements, then there is a collision. So how to avoid or how to handle that collision? So collision resolution technique. So that is very important concept. It will also asked many times, many times in GATE and other competitive examinations, collision detection and collision resolution techniques. So stay tuned, meet you in next lecture. And if you are liking the quality of contents and videos, then like, subscribe and share this particular channel with your learning community, so that other will also get benefited by the same. So happy learning to all of you. Stay safe.